Imagine spending more on a car than most people spend on a house, and feeling like you got a bargain. That's the power of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, and once you see what's inside, you'll understand exactly why. This isn't just a car, this is a declaration. A rolling statement that says you've arrived, not at a destination, but at a different level of existence entirely. The Phantom has always been the gold standard of automotive luxury, the car that makes billionaires feel pampered and makes everyone else stop and stare. But Rolls-Royce didn't sit still. For 2026, they've taken everything that made the Phantom legendary and pushed it into territory that feels almost unreasonably extravagant, and that is precisely the point. Let's start with what hits you first, the exterior, because nothing prepares you for it no matter how many times you've seen a Phantom before. The 2026 model carries forward Rolls-Royce's signature Pantheon-inspired fascia, but with a sharper, more architectural refinement. The iconic upright grille, the spirit of ecstasy standing proudly above it, is now framed with ultra-slim, laser-etched LED illumination that glows with a cold, almost supernatural precision in the dark. It doesn't just light the road, it announces that something extraordinary is approaching. The body sits with a commanding, almost defiant stillness. Long, wide, perfectly proportioned in a way that engineering textbooks can't fully explain, it just looks right at every angle in every light. Rolls-Royce offers the Phantom in an expanded 2026 color palette that includes new hand-painted bespoke finishes, some requiring over 100 hours of labor per vehicle. Colors like Arctic Abyss Pearl, Midnight Claret, and Celestial Bronze aren't just paint jobs, they're artwork applied to 5,700 pounds of rolling perfection. The coach line, painted by a single craftsperson using a single horsehair brush, runs the length of the car with zero deviation. Not digital, not masked, pure human skill. 22-inch forged alloy wheels, available in a new split-turbine design for 2026, feature self-leveling center caps that keep the double R badge perfectly upright at all times while the wheel spins. It's the kind of detail nobody asked for, and Rolls-Royce delivered anyway, because that's who they are. Step inside and the outside instantly feels like it was just the warm-up act. The 2026 Phantom's interior is not a cabin, it's a private sanctuary. Rolls-Royce calls it the gallery dashboard, and for good reason. A full-width glass enclosure spans the entire dashboard, and inside it, bespoke three-dimensional art installations are sealed permanently behind crystal-clear glass. Owners can commission anything: a recreation of a personal memory, a miniature ocean scene with real sand, a mechanical sculpture made from gold leaf. This is the only car on Earth where your dashboard is a museum piece. New 2026 update brings a next-generation infotainment architecture, though Rolls-Royce would never be so crass as to call it that. A 10.25-inch curved display integrates seamlessly into the gallery without breaking the aesthetic. It's there when you need it and invisible when you don't. The system now runs on a new processing platform with over-the-air update capability, with Apple CarPlay integration done in a way that somehow feels appropriate for the brand. Navigation, climate, and entertainment all live here, controlled by Whisperlight haptic touch or voice command through a reworked natural language AI assistant tuned specifically for Rolls-Royce. The rear cabin, the true heart of the Phantom experience, gets what Rolls-Royce is calling the Serenity Package for 2026. Massaging seats upholstered in the softest full aniline leather you've ever touched in your life, with 22-way power adjustment and 3 memory positions, lambswool floor mats. Starlight headliner with 1,344 individually threaded fiber optic lights, each one hand-stitched, that can be set to replicate the night sky from any coordinate on Earth, on any date in history. Want to recreate the sky above Paris on the night you got engaged? Done. That's the level of personalization we're talking about. Rear seat passengers also get a new theater-spec entertainment system for 2026, with twin 12-inch OLED screens that fold from the front, Meridian signature reference audio with 18 speakers, and a subwoofer tuned to the specific acoustic dimensions of the Phantom's cabin, and a refrigerated compartment that fits 2 champagne flutes. Rolls-Royce calls it the champagne chest, and yes, it comes standard. Now let's talk about what moves this thing, because the Phantom's performance deserves far more respect than it usually gets. Under that long, perfectly sculpted hood lives a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. It produces 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers sound impressive until you understand what they feel like in context. Rolls-Royce engineers describe the power delivery not as acceleration, but as the waft, a term that means the car simply ceases to be stationary and becomes moving without drama, without noise, without effort. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in 4.6 seconds. In a car that weighs nearly 3 tons, that should be impossible, and yet here we are. The 8-speed automatic gearbox shifts with such imperceptible smoothness that passengers in the rear may not even notice the car is changing gears at all. The self-leveling air suspension reads the road surface 100 times per second, adjusting in real time so that the occupants feel almost nothing. Rolls-Royce calls this magic carpet ride, and after driving one, you'll never call it marketing language again. The acoustic engineers went further for 2026, adding additional sound insulation in the B and C pillars and a new active noise cancellation system that makes the interior quieter at 70 miles per hour than most luxury apartments are with the windows closed. On the tech front, the 2026 Phantom comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems that Rolls-Royce has discreetly integrated without ever making the car feel like a gadget. Adaptive cruise control with predictive route data, lane centering, a 360-degree surround view camera system with enhanced night vision, automated emergency braking, and a new intersection assist system that can detect cross-traffic in low-visibility conditions. For a car of this pedigree, safety tech isn't marketed as a selling point. It's simply expected to be there, doing its job invisibly, the same way everything else in a Phantom does. Now the moment of truth price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at approximately $470,000 USD for the standard wheelbase. The long wheelbase, the one most buyers choose, starts closer to $510,000. Factor in the Bespoke customization program, which the majority of Phantom buyers use extensively, and it's entirely normal for a fully configured example to exceed $700,000 or even push toward $1 million. Deliveries are expected to begin in late 2025 and continue through 2026, with allocation extremely limited as usual for this model. Who are the rivals here? Technically, you could point to the Flying Spur, which starts around $220,000 and offers its own take on ultra-luxury. There's the Mercedes S-Class, a spectacular machine that starts around $200,000 and genuinely competes on interior quality. And for those coming from a completely different direction, the Lucid Air Grand Touring, an all-electric luxury sedan, is disrupting the conversation about what performance and refinement can look like from a technology-first standpoint. But here's the honest truth. Nothing named above is actually a Phantom competitor. They are, at best, aspirational neighbors. The Phantom doesn't play in a segment, it defines one. And what about the future of electrification? Rolls-Royce has confirmed that an all-electric Phantom, already previewed through the Spectre Coupe platform, is in development, with the next full generation of Phantom expected to offer a pure EV variant. For 2026, the V12 remains, and in many ways it should. The sound, the feel, the ceremony of this engine is part of what makes a Phantom a Phantom. Here's the verdict, and there's no hedging on this one. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is the greatest large luxury sedan that money can buy on this planet right now. Not the fastest, not the most technologically forward, not the most efficient, but the most complete, the most considered, the most human, and the most extraordinary expression of what a car can be when cost is genuinely not a constraint. Every detail exists because someone decided it should exist, not because a budget meeting approved it. That philosophy, rare, stubborn, almost irrational in the best possible way, is what separates the Phantom from everything else on the road, and in 2026 it's more true than ever. This is Next Gen Motors. If this video moved you even slightly, you already know what to do. Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more content that treats cars the way they deserve to be treated, and we'll see you in the next one.